Nobody likes a leaky rear end. And that's actually a pretty common problem on these Sprinter rear axles. Factory diff cover is a thin stamped steel, hangs below the housing so you can snag it on on a stump or a rock. Or maybe a careless tire shop jacking your van up by the center of the differential is just enough to dislodge the seal and start a slow leak. If you don't catch it in time, it's going to be a real problem. All your oil could drain out, lock up the ring and pinion. Our heavy duty diff cover helps solve this issue, and it makes service easier. We include a gasket, and then there's 2 fill ports. One here below the sway bar is to fill it up to the functional level. And then you can also fill through this top port, which is designed such that a bottle of gear oil will fit with the lid off, just straight in there and dump it straight in for a really fast fill. Makes it really quick, really easy. You just pull this lower fill plug, fill until the oil level comes up and drips out, you're good to go. It's made from heavy duty nodular iron with flush mounted Allen cap bolts. These are nice and flush here, so they're not going to get snagged on stuff, or if you back up into something, you don't have to worry about rounding the socket head off and getting a socket over it. This is an essential service item on your Sprinter, especially if you're doing long summer drives at high speed, if you're towing, if you're off-roading, if you've done water crossings, etc. Your rear differential oil should be changed, maybe once a year even, depending on how much you're using it and how many miles you're putting on it. Adding something like this that not only protects but makes your service life easier is a win-win. Get them today, vancompass.com.